Okay, every building should pretty much have an intruder alarm, a variety of different sorts. This is our system that we have in our building. We supply and install these. It's a Pyronix Enforcer. These are linked to a call centre 24/7 and also sends notifications to mobile phones, keeping an eye on who's coming in and out of the building, but also any alarms. It's linked to our CCTV as well. Any CCTV activations, it's all sort of linked through. Make sure it's set before you leave. Make sure your default password isn't 1234. Or 1739 or 1379 or 1066 or 1966, these sort of common codes that people use. Ensure it's set. If it's not linked to a call receiving centre out of hours, your building's vacant, you want to know if someone's broke in at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, 1 o'clock in the morning or midday. If you've got the alarm set but nobody's in the building, it's just going to continue to ring and an intruder can do whatever they want. If you want to help, it costs less than 100 quid a year for the link to a call centre. We can definitely assist you with that. Cheers.